Got me a little pruning shear and a bowl. I'm going to be picking these grapes that I protected with these disposable socks. We got a bumblebee wanting to get in there. See, they're pretty ripe. I've been picking and eating the ones that I haven't covered, and they're almost all ripe that I pick. Some of them are kind of green, so I'll leave some of those up. But there's a point at which they get too ripe, and they aren't that good then either. Look at this big clump here. There's a nice big clump. These are Canada's. Alright, full up on this side. These are Canada's grapes in disposable socks. Protected them from the birds, and the wasps, and the squirrels, and the possums. There's our pile of grapes. We're now going to remove the socks. Well, they're not uniformly ripened, but even the green ones taste pretty decent. Here's what you're up against. If you let them get too ripe, then they get really squishy like that, and even moldy like that. When they're squishy like that, they don't taste the greatest. They get bitter. So I'm going to make some raisins.